Once you have logged into PowerSchool, you will be on the home page. This is the grades and attendance page. Here you will find information about your students' attendance for last week, this week, and for the school year. Elementary students at Freedom Prep Academy will not receive a letter grade this year. You will not see a letter grade on this page. You will only see a small I surrounded by brackets. When you click on this I, you will see a list of assignments in that class. Each assignment will have a name, a due date, and a score. Let's talk about the score. At Freedom Prep Academy, we are all part of the Freedom Prep learning community. This community includes our teachers and administrators, our students, and the parents and guardians of our students. Our goal as a learning community is to help each student reach achieving on each standard. This graphic is in every classroom in our building. It explains how we will use standard-based grading to measure the performance of your student in many specific areas of your student's education instead of just a few general areas. We want all students to reach achieving in each standard so that they will be better prepared and more successful in their next grade level. Students that reach soaring are students that have gone above and beyond that which is expected of them in their class. Those students that are climbing are those that are in the middle of the learning process and are on their way to achieving competence in that standard. Students that are beginning in a standard are just beginning their learning journey towards achievement. And finally, those students that show a no evidence are students that have not shown any evidence yet in their learning path. Back to this screen. Students will receive a score of 1 to 4 on their assignments. These scores will be used to determine your student's level of achievement on each standard. By clicking the Standards Grades tab at the top, you will see the standards and achievement levels that your student has reached for each of those standards. You will first want to click the Expand All button. All standards that have a score will show on your screen. At the first of the year, there will not be very many standards with scores. However, as the year goes on, you will see more standards with scores. For a current progress report, click on the Student Reports button. Click the name of the report to generate a current progress report for your student. You will also receive progress reports periodically throughout the year in your email. If you have any further questions, please contact your teacher for more information.